Welcome back to Auto Luxury 295. Today, we're throwing it back to the golden age of American design with one of the most distinctive cars of the early 60s, the 1961 Plymouth Fury. Bold, futuristic, and unmistakably Mopar, this machine was a true statement of style and performance in its day. Let's take a closer look at why the 61 Fury still turns heads over 60 years later. Exterior. From the outside, the 1961 Plymouth Fury is pure drama. This was the final year of Virgil Exner's bold, forward look, styling, and it shows. The front end features a deeply V-shaped grille flanked by large, canted quad headlights, giving the Fury an aggressive, jet-age presence. The sweeping side profile is accentuated by chrome trim that stretches from the front fenders all the way back to the signature tail fins, which, for 1961, had begun to soften but were still dramatic enough to define the rear silhouette. Those wraparound taillights look like afterburners from a fighter jet, and the massive chrome bumper finishes off the look with classic Detroit muscle attitude. Interior. Inside, the Fury was all about style and innovation. The dash is wide and sweeping, with a deep-set instrument cluster and push-button transmission controls, a hallmark of Chrysler engineering from the era. The steering wheel is large and elegant, often featuring a chrome horn ring and Plymouth's signature emblem at the center. The upholstery varied by trim level, but high-spec versions boasted two-tone vinyl or cloth with bold horizontal lines, bucket-like bench seats, and futuristic door panel detailing. There was space to seat 6 comfortably, and the trunk was massive, designed for the long American road trip. Performance. Under the hood, the 1961 Plymouth Fury came with a variety of engines, ranging from a 225 cubic inch slant 6 to the powerful 361 and 383 cubic inch V8s. The top-tier 5.8 could push out up to 330 horsepower, delivering solid straight-line performance for the time. Mated to either a 3-speed manual or the unique push-button TorqueFlite automatic, the Fury offered a smooth but powerful drive. Suspension was torsion bar up front and leaf springs in the rear, a setup that provided a balanced ride for both cruising and occasional spirited driving. It wasn't a sports car, but it had torque and presence in spades. In conclusion, the 1961 Plymouth Fury was more than just a car, it was an expression of post-war optimism and American ambition. Its daring design, futuristic interior, and powerful V8 options made it a standout in the full-size market. Today, it's a rare gem for collectors who appreciate the boldness of early 60s automotive styling. Whether you love it for its fins, its chrome, or its performance, the 61 Fury is a piece of rolling art that refuses to be forgotten. Thanks for riding with us through time. If you enjoyed this blast from the past, hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Luxury 295, and let us know in the comments which classic car you'd love to see next.